Welcome to Flying High in Florida, where we bring the beauty of the Sunshine State to life, one stunning aerial shot at a time. From the crystal clear waters of the Gulf Coast to the vibrant cities that make Florida thrive, our state's natural beauty is unparalleled, and Flying High brings it to you from an entirely new perspective. No matter where you are, our drones capture it all. Every angle, every detail, every breathtaking moment. Whether you're showcasing a property, marketing your business, or just wanting to see the world from above, Flying High in Florida delivers unmatched clarity and cinematic drone footage. For events, real estate, inspections, or simply capturing the stunning landscapes of Florida, we are your go-to experts in aerial photography. See Florida from new heights with Flying High in Florida. Your world, your vision, elevated.